What's up and good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Gunner, you want to say hi to everybody? Say what's up, Gunner. Hi, buddies. And then we've got the beautiful LLY. But first I got to introduce to you guys one of the new Work For It designs. We've actually got two that I'm going to show you today. Again, we're just rolling out new ones left and right. So obviously the front here. And then hopefully you can see the back. Gunner, you think they can see it? Yeah, they can see it. What's up, boys?
Oh, yeah.
What, we having a little powwow?
You know how it is.
Yeah, what, were you just holding hands, dude?
Yeah.
What's going on? Easy there, Stanson Rich 69, bro. What the heck you got there? Dude, y'all in here playing with some meat? What the? Dude, this ain't a good look on you guys.
Thanks to Fern, he brought us some. Fern came by and dropped that off for us.
I don't know what it's called. What's it called?
I don't know. Rich is over here beating it. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, you gotta make it tender. You gotta.
Yeah, is that what's going on? Hey, yo. All right, this is a whole different type of video. It's good seeing you guys today. We ain't filming today. What's up, buddy? Oh, like your outfits never disappoint, bro. Like, I don't know what aisle you go down over at the Bass Pro Shop, but it's the aisle, dude.
I gotta keep the apparel strong for the.
I'm gonna make you in charge of our whole camo line.
Okay.
I think like you're qualified.
I could run it for you.
There you go. We'll get some custom Work For It Crocs.
Yeah.
I don't know. See if you can pull some strings. Oh, we got that good.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I hadn't even opened all this yet.
So we got some goodies right here from HSP Diesel.
Got this from John_HSP Diesel. Hit him up if you need some traction bars. With the 70-inch traction bars, powder coated gloss black.
I like that.
Yeah, if you don't drive a Duramax, they have tons of accessory parts for Cummins, Power Strokes. I think it's 03 to 2016 for Cummins and Power Stroke guys.
All right, Dad.
Oh. Race truck. Yo, what's up, gangster?
It's cracking. Damn, Chris.
I caught Stanson Rich and at SoCal62 beating some meat earlier in the truck. It's been a strange morning so far. So today we're gonna be installing traction bars on Burton's truck. And if you guys don't know what traction bars do, traction bars basically keep like your axle wrap from happening under hard acceleration. And I'm sure Wes will have a much better explanation than I do about them. So what we wanna show first, we wanna show the axle with no traction bars, which is what we're gonna do right now. I've got the GoPro on Burton's truck. Him and Rich are gonna actually line up for a race right now, so we actually are getting a real hard pull on this thing, and hoping that my GoPro doesn't end up underneath his tire because it is like right in line with it right now. Stay strong, GoPro, stay strong. In this corner, Stanson Rich 69. Line it up. All right, here we go. Let's see if the GoPro survived. Woo! All right, she's still there. Burton, buddy, you want to back your old truck out?
Oh yeah.
Relive some good times?
I miss her every day.
There you go, man. In case you don't remember where the truck came from, I did buy it from Burton. Much appreciated, buddy. We've had some good times already. I treat her nice. So Wes, what are the true benefits of track bars?
Well, obviously looks first and foremost, but performance-wise, they help a lot with the axle wrap, wheel hop, traction issues with high torque vehicles. HSP, they're a leader in the diesel world, especially with their traction bars. They're really well known, so glad that they hopped on board and helped my buddy out, get his truck on the way to where he wants it.
Being a race truck?
Yeah, race truck.
So I'm taking, I'm kind of watching Burton build this thing up. It's kind of the similar route that I want to go with my LOY, other than maybe sitting a little taller. You reverse level this, right?
I did a reverse level, and I already had leveling keys on the front, so I just got to put my stock keys back on it so I can lower the front a little bit. I'm sitting an inch and a half higher in the front than I am in the rear, so I got the Carolina lean that I'm sure everybody's going to hate.
Yeah, she's squatting. Well, you also got a couple 100 pounds of stuff in the back here that's not really helping your case right now.
Yeah.
Good for traction though. So you're running what, 20 by 12s?
Yep.
20 by 12s.
Motive Magnus.
On I don't know. This is a,
550 R20.
was that 33?
It's a 32.
0.4.
Yeah. It's
Gotcha. So this is a similar setup. I want to go with wheel wise. I want to go with the 20 by 12. Maybe a little bit bigger tire, maybe not. I'm not sure. I will be sitting a little higher. How do you rub on the front of this thing?
It's not too bad. I had to trim the little underskirt of the front bumper a little bit, but
Gotcha. Any trimming in the rear back here?
no, I hadn't trimmed in the rear. At full turn, it rubs a little bit. You can see where it rubs some of the paint away, but it's not super hard, so I'm not that worried about it.
Do you know the offset of these wheels?
They're negative 44.
All right. I think it's a cool stance, man. I like it. It's not too much, not too obnoxious, and I really like those tires. And oh, look at this! Look at this! Dang, that was Stance and Rich.
Stance and Rich about 10 minutes ago.
Install on these track bars, pretty simple, right? I mean, I'm assuming we just drill a few holes and.
Yeah, the frame mounts for the front, drill a couple holes. They come with all the hardware, all grade 8 zinc plated hardware, and then you got your U-bolt mounts where those plates mount up underneath the U-bolts under the axle tubes.
I don't know if you watch YouTube, but me and Chris are mechanics now. Y'all want us to handle this?
Yeah.
You guys go sit back.
We're gonna go get some breakfast.
Chris, we got this, right?
Shouldn't take you more than a
Oh,
couple
yeah, Chris wants breakfast. He don't want to work.
So HSP's instructions, they basically said before you go and install anything, inspect your U-bolts. And as you can see, this one's quite a bit rusted out.
Oh, yeah.
So they say definitely replace these. So I think we got a couple sets of U-bolts laying around here. So we're gonna swap these ones out.
Working hard, buddy. Working hard. Oh, yep. So the one thing we don't know is he's running an air dog pump on this truck, which air dogs mount to the frame right there, which is kind of in like the world of where the frame mount for the track bar is going to go. So we're not exactly sure how this is going to work out. Whereas on my truck, I have the fast lift pump, which typically mounts up in your bedside here, like higher up that way. On my truck, I always opt to mount them in the center of the bed. That way you don't hear them because lift pumps aren't the quietest things in the world. And I've never been a fan of seeing them hang down. So I know a lot of people ask about mine. Mine is actually mounted right there. It is the Fast 165 mounted inside of the fuel tank over here, and it just keeps everything out of the way, quiets it down a little bit. So no lie, from the last clip to right now, it's been about 3 hours. No progress has been made. It's been like 2 at least.
Hey man, a whole ship's burned down in that time. All right.
Yeah, we got other things to worry about.
Yeah. So our holdup right now is we need new U-bolts because these ones are obviously screwed up. Nobody nearby has them.
I had some, but I got half inch from a 1500, but when I bought those, they said they work for 2500 HGs also, but they're not the right size. So I got a buddy who's gonna hook us up. Gonna see his truck real soon. He's almost done with it. It's gonna be a beast. So.
So right now it's a lunch break for everybody. Look at that. Look at that in and out. Ooh, way better than Whataburger.
Animal style, you know.
Way better than Whataburger. Don't shake your head. Don't shake your head. You're wearing a tie-dye shirt.
Whataburger can last more than 5 minutes, all right?
That's because it's got preservatives. This is fresh.
You eat In and
fresh.
Out, like when you go to In
fresh.
and Out.
Look at that. Look at how healthy that looks. Look at it. The healthiest guy on the channel right there. So while we wait for the U-bolts to show up, we'll show you guys our other new work for design here. If I could hold this up in one hand. We've got the Work or Die shirt. This one turned out super sick as well. Ba-boom, ba-boom. As always, there's a link down in the description to workforapparel.com. Great job, Steiner. Great job, buddy. There's a sleeping log in your way. Good morning, buddy. You were out, dude. Tired?
Yeah, man.
Long night?
Yeah.
Well, guys, I gotta take off. So, Chris, I'm gonna leave you in charge of vlogging this thing because they're about to go get the new U-bolts right now. You got this, buddy? Don't let the channel down, bro. This is all you.
No.
You got this. Here you go. Here you go. You're just...
All right, we got Wes and Dedek. They just pulled up. They took their sweet time trying to get these U-bolts. What's up, fellas? You got the U-bolts? It's Dmax Steiner here.
These are for a newer generation Duramax, so they might be a little bigger.
All right, we're gonna modify them and all that. I mean, it's not gonna be as cool as my truck, but I mean, this truck will be kind of cool.
What happened, Steiner?
They got the wrong stuff.
We didn't get the wrong stuff they were giving.
That's what happens when you send a boy to
You want me to get the
job.
You want me to get the welder, chop a little out, and then put them back together?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
What do you want to do? Put these ones on and you just order the right ones or what?
Yeah, I'd rather run these for.
These are way stronger.
I honestly think they'd be fine. I don't think laterally is my issue.
I say we just do it.
Yeah, if we tighten it down to spec, I think it'll be good. Which spec in North Carolina's half-pass tight, so.
Wait, what?
I don't think this is a good idea, man.
All right, let's put a bar in on this side and mock it up.
Alright.
Oh,
Hey,
God.
these are perfectly symmetrical, right?
Hi.
Should be.
Bro, why are there spiders under this girl too?
Bro,
They
I
fit?
live in a
They-
haunted house.
Yeah, they fit.
My house is haunted with all kinds of spiders, and I brought them over here, and now the shop's haunted.
Yep. You got spiders?
That's what. Oh, tons. Black widows. We don't play no games.
What game you playing is this
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm reading some stuff on Instagram because they don't know what they're doing under that truck, so I can't be a part.
Yeah.
Put them big muscles on it, you might over tighten them.
These are little muscles.
Just strip them right out of there. Them big old 24-inch pythons.
Gee.
Put some angle on there before you stick it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Ryan always holds it like this. Like,
Yeah. Yeah, like. What you doing, Burton? What you doing, dude?
Putting some times.
All right, it looks like you're working for it. That's what I like to see. Don't come into my shop if you're not working for it.
Burton.
Give me that piece of foam. Steiner!
Shove it in, man. You got this. You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you. It's a good confidence booster. It'll help us get to the rest of this install.
Got a homemade inverted drill press here. We got a pry bar and a that's right there is perfect pressure and speed.
See, guys? I'm a professional.
Start getting too much shatter. Either your thing's going or going to.
Let's see you do it.
No, he's a professional.
No, dude, that was tough. You like that? YouTube, you like that,
I
right?
gotta measure that.
Let me give you like press.
Are you D-TIG or not?
Get the impact.
Because you're sounding like a MIG right now. You ain't got no nut on the side.
Nope. Holding with my head.
We're just gonna use hopes and dreams over here.
Yeah, no. This is a K20 style build, right?
K20's nicer.
That's the nicest thing you ever said to me. It's a lie, though. I know it is.
Dedek, what are you doing?
Shut up.
Putting the frame
Can't
mount
use
bolts
cuss
in.
words.
I'm doing stuff up.
Alright, let's take two. Action. Dedek, what you doing?
I'm doing stuff up.
That was beautiful. That was our best take ever.
Hold on, I'm not on it. Damn, go.
We're definitely gonna have to move my lift pump.
Really?
Yeah. Lift pump in the way. Watch it. Good. We can slide it back though, probably like 3 inches or so, and we should be good.
I ran into Dedek.
You're like 5'11" and they're like,
Bro, I got a tag.
This is 6 foot and they're like,
Yeah, right. It hurts. Who won't kiss it?
Kiss it.
He did it on purpose too. Hey, my lawyer's gonna contact your people, all right?
You think Dmaxryno don't got a good lawyer? I got the best on deck. My lawyer works for it.
Lawyer.
I got the Lincoln lawyer. No, Chris, you got it.
The other side.
The crowd likes Chris.
People want to see
The
D-Max
people?
Steiner.
No, they want to see D-Max Chris. Yeah, they do. No, nobody likes me.
You're out here just motivating us, and people are like, "He's such a dick."
He's being mean. He told them to lift it. Oh God,
He's yelling at him.
that Steiner guy, he's so passive aggressive. Oh my God, he's fucking terrible. He's such a terror.
Hey, cut. We gotta refilm that. You cursed in it. Cut.
Damn it. Why can't we do the bleeps?
It costs too much for production.
How hard is it to put a bleep?
Bro, it's like 25 cents a bleep, bro.
I could speak so much more freely if we bleep.
Bleep, 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 bleep. Just beep, the whole thing. Lifted truck. Beep.
They'd be like, Ryan, why's your video in Morse code? Yeah, I gotta clean up Wes's area. He thinks this is his house now, apparently.
Well, this ain't just Wes's area.
Yeah, wait till Ryan
The whole
finds
thing
out.
is Wes's area right here.
We got all this Milwaukee
that ain't
stuff.
my fucking welder.
Everybody ain't my fucking Milwaukee's cheap. It's installed out DeWalt and Craftsman. Dude, if you don't got Ryobi weed whackers,
Don't even mess with them.
dude,
Don't
you
even
ain't
talk
really
to us.
rolling in from TJ.
See what Burton doing over here. How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing alright. Loosening this lift pump. The brackets for it. So on the Air Dogs, your lift pumps mount to your frame, and they just have these two metal brackets that just clamps on each side of your frame, so you can slide it up and down if you need to get it out of the way. I know the fastest to your one of your bed mount bolts.
Chris, I hope you know you're the only person I do a burnout for every time.
Hold on. Redo.
Traction control again.
Look who's back, guys.
What's up, buddy? I don't even want to know what you get. What?
Let's see the haircut.
Oh, you want to see my sick beards or braids? Yeah. Yep. They're back. They're back.
Just take the head off.
What the?
Oh my God! Look at that big ass forehead.
Hey.
Holy shit!
Hold on.
Back
Want to make my forehead look small? Just stand right here. Just stand right here. So I'm obviously gonna see what happened while I was gone when I edit this thing, but hopefully it wasn't too bad. Did you handle everything good? You guys took care of the channel?
I mean, you know, if Wes wasn't here, I don't know how we would be able to do it.
Fair. Track bars are looking great.
They're on there. Had to move the lift pump.
All right, well, hey, I was working hard on it, wrapped it up, ready to go. We're gonna get her pulled out. We're gonna go to the same spot and see if those track bars, made a difference. I don't even know if the video footage is gonna be good enough to tell if there's a difference, but it looks sick. Looks sick. It's a good look. Whoa! Don't hit your old truck with your new truck. I got sick of walking up and down this street. We need to get some new batteries for the golf cart. Seems like it's hooking real well. He got real close to that curve. Now I got my new ride back here. Chris, how you doing, buddy? Just hitching a ride over here.
I'm glad your knees are on my back, not your nuts.
So how's it feel?
Feels good.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Hooking up real nice and tight?
Nice.
She was getting it, dude.
She gets down alright.
Almost ate a curb, but that's cool.
I was nervous, but
Hey, well, Wes got up and started taking a couple steps back. All right, y'all. Well, that concludes another day. Hopefully, the boys took good care of you guys on the channel and actually did a good job filming. I mean, you're gonna see this before you hear this from me, but I have seen none of the footage that they filmed today. So here's to hoping we got something out of it. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button now that you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Ooh, I almost stumbled that one. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta be willing to work for it. You guys are the best. I'm out.
Damn.